That'd be quite interesting to see in use, that would. Maybe we should do it. Absolutely full of oh god, I feel sick now. Today we're actually going to go on a small little adventure from Adagis, and we're going to be travelling down to Villani, about 2.5 hour drive. There's a nice little place we're going to stop on the way there as well, so I'll show you a little bit around there when we get there. So we've finally made it to the pit stop anyway, and yeah, it's a very nice little pit stop actually. We've got like a restaurant here, some shops here selling some organic food, some cheese places, and just here we have Daugava River. Although it looks like a lake, it's actually a river. And the name of the stop, I'll put the name on the screen just down here because I can't pronounce it. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that. It's really hot here at the moment as well. Jump in that river. Maybe we should do it. Nah, let's not do it. Anyway, spotted this on the way over. It's a really old looking thing. It looks to be some kind of heater. Really old heater they used to use here. Anyway, let's have a little walk down to the there's a little path down here. Heads out into the I think there's a little pier at the end down there. I like the look of that actually. It's quite interesting. It's actually quite hard to get on. Anyway, let's get down. Look childish. There we go. Right, let's go and have a little walk down here anyway. See what's down here. Yeah, I'll take a look at this guy just over here, look. Just to have a little swim. Half tempted to go and join him, to be honest. Just look at that view. That's really nice, that is. It doesn't appear to be much down here actually. It's just like a little nice, like I don't know what you call it really. It's a little park that extends out into the water. They've even got like a barbecue sort of like fireplace to make your food just here. So yeah, I'm guessing you make your little fire in there, hang your cooking whatever on here. Yeah, cook your food. It's quite nice. Oh, I just lost my chute. Oh. One little quick look down here and we'll head back. That actually does look like a lake, a really big lake. Lovely. Be a really nice place to chill out down here, it would. Set your little blanket up down there, sit there, a few drinks. Oh. Here's something quite interesting I've just spotted. This is actually a smoke machine. Not the kind of smoke machine you use at a disco though. This one's for actually smoking meat, fish and all that kind of thing. But the interesting thing about this one, if you stand back here and have a look at it, it's actually the front end of a boat. Maybe see better from the other side. Yeah, there you go. There's the bottom part of the boat. Look, you can see it very well there. Yeah, what you do, you've got a little door just here. It's locked at the moment, but you put your food inside there, your meat and your fish and what have you. And then over here, it's where you make the fire. Just inside there. Make your fire in there, and it sends your smoke through there. And basically, the smoke just pours out of the all these little gaps through here. Usually takes, I don't know, maybe 48, 52 hours maybe to smoke your food. That'd be quite interesting to see in use, that would. Anyway, let's head back. Just walking over to this old shop, because this is actually not my first time stopping at this place, but this building here used to be like a gift shop. Appears to have closed down. Quite sad really. Didn't see this last time. It's an old plough. You imagine using that back in the day. I suppose you attach your horse at the front end of it, sit in the old seat, off you go. Looks like there's some other kind of farm material over there, just there. Time to head back to the car now and continue the rest of our journey to visit one of our friends. We're going to stay with them a couple of nights, so probably see you when we're there. Okay, we've just made another little quick stop. It's a place we usually pass, we normally go at the top of it. It's actually like a nature reserve, can't pronounce that name. But yeah, it's a bit of like a swamp area, all the different animals you can see. The most interesting part is actually, if we walk down this pathway here, is this. So I'm going to take a little walk up to the top to show you guys around, for miles around in fact. I've been up here before, have a little walk up these stairs. There's quite a lot of steps, but see how quick we can get up there. Have a look at there, look. If I remember correctly as well, from the top here, there's like a bird watching tower in the distance. I'd like to go up that. It's even taller than this tower, if I remember correctly anyway. My legs are tired already, especially after that paddling boat trip yesterday. Whew. Not sure how many steps are here, but it's a lot. You can see down, look. We're nearly there, nearly there. And the wind up here as well. It's very windy up here. Here we go. Here's the platform. Let's have a look at the view. Look at that, look. You can see for miles around. I've just spotted that bird tower I was on about actually. See it just there. I'd like to go up there sometime if it's possible. Also, this building over here is a very interesting old cottage or farmhouse. Very old. Looks like somebody lives there though. Whew. That wind walking back down here is quite dangerous because you can't see one step from the other property, so you've really got to watch carefully. Actually hard to make out the steps. Speed going now. It's much easier coming down, I can tell you. Feels like a hell of a lot more steps coming down than going up actually, which is odd. I expected the other way around. There we go. Made it. Just quickly before we go, I've got to show you this. They have these toilets everywhere, all over. It's their idea of a toilet. It's quite funny actually. It's basically... Oh, actually that's quite a posh one. The smell is absolutely horrific though. Wow, let's close that door. Yeah, you don't need to smell that. Oh god, I feel sick now. Oh god. But basically what it is, it's just a big tank. Absolutely full of shit. And it smells bloody awful. If they've not been emptied for a while, wow, that one's not been emptied for some time. But actually that's quite a luxury one. Some of the toilets out there are literally just a hole in the ground. Nice little seating area just here as well. Luckily there's no downdraft from the toilet, so I don't think you'll be wanting to smell that while you're eating your dinner, I can tell you. Anyway, onwards to our final destination.